What up, guys? Bradicus here, coming at you here with Justin Marc, and today we have a really special announcement. It's Corona times. We're all having trouble meeting girls. We can't do much night game anymore, or any night game. We can't do day game anymore.
There's no clubs.
A little bit of day game,
Nothing's
but not
open.
much. What's the solution? Well, we can still lose online game. And me and Justin have actually, in the last couple months, we've been getting laid like every single day with new girls. Sometimes 2 girls, sometimes 3 girls. Sometimes
crazy, man.
Sometimes with a regular we've already had sex with, but it's actually our results haven't slowed down at all. We've been getting a lot of girls now, and you know why? It's because of online game.
So guys, let's jump straight in the video.
So me and Justin decided, since I have all this infield that I've never used, I have like literally like 40 different infields from Tinder and Bumble and stuff, open to close I've never used. I have all these ideas. We literally have figured out all these ways to use Tinder that then we never imagined was possible. We're able to optimize our profile so much and get so many matches, and we're not even making shit that we're actually literally able to kill it right now.
Dude, literally, I've got over 3,000 matches right now on Tinder as of making this video. I know you've got a lot of girls' numbers in your phone, all from online, Bumble, Tinder, etc.
And it's not just that. I came to this epiphany that we can literally use Instagram, and I know you guys already know this, but I've literally figured out how to use Instagram to get models. Some of the hottest women I've been meeting lately have all been from Instagram. I remember last night I was thinking, okay, out of the last 40 girls, who are the top 5? And those top 3 out of the top 5 were all from Instagram. And I don't want to keep this to myself, because these things I had no idea about before. I don't want to keep this to myself anymore. I want to show you guys how to use Tinder, how to use Bumble, how to text, how to get good photos, how to use Instagram, how to do all this stuff, all these crazy hacks that you're never going to see in your life anywhere else. No one's ever going to tell you how to literally hack the system, do all this crazy stuff, and kill it on this online stage right here. Like how to literally, it's literally the cheat code to get laid. Like you don't have to do shit anymore. After I figured out this, it's like, it's insane. I mean, if I didn't want to do day game anymore, I didn't have to. I don't even have to go to a club anymore. I don't have to do anything. The thing is, I love doing day game. I love doing that. It's still good. But this, I literally have the option to focus on my business, do what I want to do, and get laid very effectively. And you know what it's going to be called? Online seduction. Online-seduction.com.
So guys, we've been really excited because we've been working on this for a long time now. We've been here in Mexico City for the last couple months, and we've been getting crazy results, like insane results. Literally anybody can learn this stuff. And what's even crazier is like during this whole coronavirus quarantine thing, this is like the weirdest time in human history, probably one of the weirdest times in your life, where you're just stuck at home doing nothing. So here's a great opportunity for you to invest in yourself and learn how to start crushing it in your dating life, even during this coronavirus quarantine. Because to be honest, I would say we're probably getting better results now than we were before the whole quarantine thing. Because girls are bored, they've got nothing to do, and they're flocking to dating apps because they're bored. They want to meet guys, they want to have fun, right? And so because of this, we're, in the top probably 0.1% of guys on these apps. We're literally having girls come straight to our place and doing it.
In this program, I'm going to tell you quickly what we're going to go through. There's going to be a lot more than what we're saying in here. This is just some of the stuff we're going to include, but there's going to be a lot more. So we're going to tell a lot of our personal stories. We're going to have a lot of stories from ourselves. We're going to have a lot of examples. We're going to have a shit ton of info. We're going to talk about all the different apps. We're going to talk about Bumble, Tinder, Hinge, Happen, Badoo, and some other ones that we haven't decided yet. We're going to talk about profile pictures, of course. We're going to talk about how to make a sick bio, how to test your pictures, how to actually take the good photos, how to edit your photos, make them look sick as fuck, how to reset your Tinder account and reset your elo, how to like bend the ranking system of all these apps into your favor. When you get banned, how to get unbanned. If you get shadow banned, what's the difference between an actual ban and a shadow ban? What happens when you get a temporary ban versus a permanent ban? How to change all your IP addresses, your VPNs, your MAC addresses on all your devices. What you need to do to get unbanned some of these apps. How to literally sometimes like literally hack these apps and get them for free when you're meant to be paying for them.
Now get that, right? Like literally getting free services and stuff.
Literally, Badoo, Bumble, Tinder will happen, all of them. We're going to teach you how to get them all for free. Texting, we're going to go through texting on Tinder, the first message, how to get the girl off the app, where to text her after, WhatsApp, Instagram, how to make a killer Instagram profile, how to get really engaging stories so girls message you first on your stories, how to actually get girls DMing you first on Instagram by using Instagram ads. We're going to teach you how to make your Instagram profile look really good so the girl actually wants to message you. We're going to talk about how to reduce flakes. We're going to talk about WhatsApp, how to deal with leads on WhatsApp, how to use we're going to talk about like how to deal with massive amounts of leads with WhatsApp, because WhatsApp is really good to do. You deal with really big amounts of leads because it functions on WhatsApp to mass message girls. And we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how to deal with your contacts, because I have this contact saving system that saves me so much time. I save my contacts in a certain format that literally defines how hot the girl is, what city she's in, how long ago was I in contact with her from, how flaky she is, how many times she's flaked on me, and if I've gotten laid with her. So it's basically like, and I do this really simplistically, and I do this so you can sort through everything as fast as you possibly can, and you can send messages to them all at once, like really efficiently. So there's a really good management system here.
What's really good about online seduction is we're not just telling you what to do. We're showing you. We're showing you in field, showing you literally us meeting girls. As Brad mentioned, you said you had 40 videos that you never put out.
Yeah,
40 in-field videos that you never put out. I've got a bunch of video reports that from here in Mexico, while we're creating this product, we're showing you what happened. The girls meeting up. Everything from open to close. It's really powerful. We're gonna tell you all of this. We're gonna show you how to do it. We're gonna show you us doing it, and you can create these results yourself for the rest of your life, which is really pretty awesome.
Also, going to go through some advanced Tinder techniques to not only get you more matches, to literally trick Tinder into thinking you have a better profile than you have, into actually thinking your elo is a lot higher than it actually is. We're not going to tell the secrets here, but just know we know the elo system really well.
Golden. It is so powerful where you can literally trick the algorithm, so all of a sudden they give you all the matches. Now, guys, you're gonna actually have like the algorithm of the hottest guy in your city, so you'll be getting all the hottest girls in the city.
Yeah. So, if you've heard of a thing called the top picks on Tinder, you might be featured on there.
100%.
Right. So we're going to be also going through how to send amazing voice messages, killer voice messages that really engage the girl. How to have killer phone calls, how to actually have a phone call with a girl, how to literally all the Instagram game as well. We're going to be talking about all the features of all the apps. So Tinder, we're going to talk about Gold, Plus, Boost, Super Boost. We're going to be talking about Bumble Boost. We're going to talk about Bumble Super Likes and Bumble Spotlight as well. All these functions like Badoo Premium, Happen Premium, Hinge Premium. We're going to talk about all these features, and we've tested them all ourselves. We're going to tell you what's better. Like with Tinder, we're going to tell you, should you use Super Likes, should you use Super Boost, Boost versus Super Boost. We've done all these tests. We're going to tell you what's the most efficient, what's the best to use. Now, not only that, we're going to literally have an entire section on just taking the girl on a date. And that literally involves all the different dates we're going to go through. If you want to go, sometimes on Tinder, there's different demographics of girls. You're going to take the girl on a romantic date, to a bar, a date to the first house, or you're going to take a girl on an adventure date. And this really depends on the type of girl, what you want. If you're in a relationship or whatever, we're going to go through how to get what you want. Relationships, threesomes. We have a module on how to create a rotation with women, how to get threesomes, how to turn a girl that you just had sex with into a regular. You know, we're going to talk about on the actual date, so we're going to show you how to actually take the girl home. We're going to have in-field footage, the girl doesn't know the camera's there, of us going on the Tinder date, taking the girl home and showing you how we did it in a step-by-step process. We're going to do so many examples of this. We're going to countless infields of doing this. Not just that, we're going to have a collection of everything. We're going to have a collection of openers for you to copy and paste if you're lazy. We're going to have a collection of messages to send the girl to re-engage her if she stops replying. We're going to have a collection of messages to deal with every objection you can think of, you know? Is that your best pickup line? You know, do you have a girlfriend? Do you say this to everyone? Are you living here? All these kind of questions.
We're gonna give you the keys to the kingdom, guys.
Gonna throw you. We have questions to all of them. I don't give my number out so quickly. All these objections, I don't meet people. I don't know. All these objections we know how to deal with. We're gonna give you messages that had the best close rates. We're going to show you voice message examples and break them down. We're going to show you phone calls and break them down in this product. There's going to be so much there. We're going to break down other people's Tinder photos and show you good and bad examples. We're going to break down other people's bios, show you good and bad examples. We're going to break down other people's text message conversations. We're going to do all this in online seduction and even more.
There's a ton of bonuses, like an insane amount of bonuses. We literally cannot put on YouTube. Like I'm literally gonna be putting videos in this course, in this program, that literally got banned from YouTube, showing you exactly how to get results, how to be, how to act, how to behave.
We're also gonna have a module on Inner Game that goes through racial things to consider if you're really sure if you're certain race and how to make that, to turn that into your advantage on these apps as well.
Such a powerful course, such a powerful program. We're really happy to be doing this together. And two of the best dating coaches in the world. This can change your life. So go to online-seduction.com. Check out the course. It's not out yet. When's it come out, Brad?
The course comes out in July. No,
July.
It's already July, yeah. So we're bringing the course out sometime in July. So mark that date, guys. July. The exact date's not marked yet, but we
were aiming for July 17th. That weekend, but maybe sooner. So guys, get ready. We're hope you're excited.
Online-seduction, link in the description, link in the pinned comments below.
You can actually pre-register for our email list, and we'll email you a bunch of free content, free information about the course. That'll help you get results.
While you're here and while you're waiting, why not indulge me and Justin's content? We're going to be releasing a lot of stuff about Tinder online dating in these upcoming weeks and months. Coming up to the launch, so go and subscribe to Justin, go and subscribe to me, and you're just going to have a lot of fun watching our videos. And there, click that link in the description right now.
All right, guys, see you soon.